Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. Yet another sunny day here in Brazil, and I want to be spending my time outside. So I will run Alpha One iBot for 7 minutes and let's see how much money I can make. But before I do that, you can also run this robot. Just use the link you see up there right now. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also you find a link below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code so you get 100% on your first deposit. So make sure you make a good deposit first time, okay? So let's start up this amazing robot so I can enjoy the sun outside. And just like that. Not a big profit, as we can see Ethereum just right now give only 20%, but still we made $765 in a matter of 7 minutes. It's still good. So if you want to run this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.